What else did you order?
I got Super Smash Bros. Brawl for the Wii. You cannot have a Wii console without this game, along with the other games. I got Mario Super Sluggers for the Nintendo Wii for almost $60. Sonic Rush for $28. Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon for $23. The Legend of Zelda Link Between Worlds for $35. Since you like playing Zelda games, Mario Kart Super Circuit for the Game Boy Advance. I don't know why I got that when you can play on the Nintendo Switch Online Plus expansion pack for free. Mario Party 10. Yoshi's Woolly World. Minecraft Xbox 360 Edition. Mario Kart 64. Lego Marvel Avenger for the Xbox One. Metroid Prime for the GameCube. Since the Nintendo Switch version is sold out everywhere, and I don't think Nintendo will be making copies of the Switch version anymore. Finally, Star Fox